Are Universal Orlando's photo packages worth it? Hey Pugh crew, welcome back.
If you're new here, on this channel we talk about all things theme parks, including updates, news, and even tips and tricks for your next theme park vacation.
Theme park vacations are full of good times and memories. And one of the best ways to bring those memories back is with photos. So what we're going to do in today's video is talk about My Universal photo packages. We're going to explain how they work, talk about different price points, and whether or not we think they're worth it.
The My Universal photo packages can be purchased either in the parks or online prior to your trip.
Yeah.
When you purchase one of these packages, you'll get a card that has a QR code on it.
It'll just appear right in front of you on your desk. Like click buy, boom, there it is.
Not quite. When you purchase them online, there are a few different options for how you can pick up your card. For example, you can choose to print it at home yourself. You can pick it up at one of the will call kiosks outside of the parks, or you can even have them send you a mobile ticket via email. This card will be how you link your photos in the parks to your account. With the photo packages, you get access to your pictures through the Amazing Pictures mobile app.
What? Okay, so I'll let the first name go, the My Universal photo packages. It's clunky, but it works. But then you're going to name the app the Amazing Pictures. I can't even get it out. It's so bad. The Amazing Pictures mobile app. Like, what are you doing? Like, Universal, if you're watching this, you aren't. But if you're watching this, just simplify it. Like My Epic Photos and the My Epic Photos app. It's not that hard. It's like y'all had a board meeting and it was like, hey, what can we name this? Oh, let's name it the Universal Photos and the Escape from Everyday Life Memories package. And it's like, you're promoted. Like that is so bad. Sorry about the rant, as you were saying.
But to do this, you have to make sure that you link your photos to your photo card. And the way that you do this, if a photographer is taking your picture inside the park, they'll be able to help you with this process. Just make sure that you let them know that you do have the photo pass. If you're trying to get an on-ride photo or a picture from one of the queues, you will need to head to the photo center at the end of the attraction. And once you get there, you'll need to head to one of the kiosks and scan the QR code on the back of your card.
It is very, very important that you show them that card, because if you don't, you will not have access to that photo. They have no idea who you are. They're not going to remember the really good looking guy with the red head. Like, they're just not going to remember that. One of the biggest benefits to purchasing a photo package is the digital access to the photos. Universal doesn't offer this in any other way. You can't go in and just purchase a digital copy of your photos. You have to have a photo package. So if you want to be able to download these photos to your mobile device for the gram, you are going to have to purchase a My Universal Photos package.
Universal currently offers 3 different photo packages, and the first of these is a single day pass that is good for all 3 of Universal's parks. But this package is an online exclusive, so if you wait until you get to the parks, you will not be able to purchase a single day pass. The one-day package includes unlimited digital downloads of your photos, a My Universal Photos lanyard and card, discounts on the My Universal Photos gift products,
keychains,
as well as 2 prints. One of those is a 4x6 and the other one is a 5x7. And you also get exclusive pricing on all other park photo prints. This package comes in at $69.99. Again, we want to reiterate that this package can only be purchased online. Also, you may be wondering how many photo packages you need for your group or family, and as long as you're okay with sharing one account, you only need one.
Yeah, we actually get that question quite a bit, and the fact is, you don't need one for everybody because remember, you do have unlimited digital downloads. So the one person who has access to the account can just download all the pictures and send them to everybody in the group.
The next option is a 3-day photo package, which is good at all 3 parks. And this package can be purchased both online and in the parks, but it's $10 cheaper if you buy it online.
Which is approximately a butterbeer and a quarter.
This package comes with all of the same benefits as the 1-day pass, plus you do get discounts on additional prints. 4x6 prints are $2 each, 5x7 prints are $5 each, and 8x10 prints are $10 each. If you purchase 5x7 prints from the rides outside of one of the photo packages, they're going to cost you at least $20.
Yeah.
The price does change depending on the ride that you purchase them from. So this is a huge savings. This package will cost you $99.99 in the parks or $89.99 online.
The last package that you can purchase is a Volcano Bay exclusive. It's good for 1 day and it starts at $49.99 if you purchase it in the parks and $39.99 online. This package only comes with unlimited digital downloads of all the pictures that you take while you're in Volcano Bay.
Another thing to note about Volcano Bay is that your photo pass will be linked to your Tapu Tapu bracelet instead of the photo card. So when you go through the rides, instead of scanning the QR code, you'll scan your Tapu Tapu bracelet instead. Another thing to note is instead of having photographers stationed around the parks like they do at Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay has what they call selfie post, where you'll scan your Tapu Tapu bracelet and it'll automatically take a picture of you and your entourage.
If you're familiar with Universal Studios, you may be aware that there is something very similar over by the Simpsons land. So right there where the DeLorean is, there's a similar photo opportunity where you can pay for it. There's a little box on the ground that tells you where to stand so that the photo turns out. It's gonna be basically the same thing over at Volcano Bay.
Universal does have an exhaustive list of all the photo locations on their website, and we'll put a link to that down in the description below. But it's basically any of the rides or queues that take a picture of you, any of the character meet and greets, and anywhere in the parks that you run into a photographer. Also, if you find a photographer out in City Walk, that counts as well.
Yeah, you'll generally find a few as you're entering the parks, especially over there by the Globe or the Lighthouse.
Yeah.
Those are great photo opportunities, and those will be part of your photo package.
Just inside of each park, you'll find a My Universal Photos store where you can purchase one of the photo packages or one of the prints from your photos. The only exception here is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Of course.
Because of licensing agreements, Universal is only allowed to sell Harry Potter photos inside of the Wizarding World. So for rides like Hagrid's, Forbidden Journey, Gringotts, and any other photo ops in those lands, you do have to purchase them while you're in the Wizarding World. For all other rides and attractions, you can just scan your pass and head to the photo store later in the day to purchase these. But again, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter will not let you do that. And for the important question, is it worth it?
And we absolutely think that it is. Is this something that you're going to purchase every time you go to the parks? Probably not. I mean, if you only get down there every couple of years or something, maybe, but this is more of a special occasion type thing, like celebrating a birthday or like family vacation. If you're somebody who always has a lot of photos from family vacation, this is something to add to it. Also, it would be great to have for, say, like a wedding or a honeymoon or anything like that.
We can't tell you how much we wish that we had purchased one of the photo packages for our wedding at the parks. We did purchase several ride photos from our wedding day, and to be honest, we spent more than a single day pass and probably close.
Yeah, we were probably getting close to like what the multi-day pass was, like, because we bought 3 or 4 and at like $25, $30 a pop. I mean, they start getting expensive.
So we absolutely think that it's worth it for those special occasions, and we regret not doing it for ours.
Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. Leave us a comment in the comment section and let us know, if a picture's worth 1,000 words, what's a butterbeer worth?
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. You can hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you get an alert every time we post a new video.
It's priceless. Thanks for watching.